Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Surface, Microsoft Surface Pro 8 to Wi-Fi network. And to do this you need to click on the Wi-Fi. Right here there's a Wi-Fi sound and battery settings. Click on the Wi-Fi you're already connected to, or if you're not, it will be probably white out, so select it anyway. Then find the Wi-Fi you want to connect to, and in this case let's go for this one. Click on connect, enter the security code if the network is protected by one. Hit the enter and you should be connected to new Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.